what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Colleen. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial of this coppery bronzy look that I have on my eye, as well as reviewing the LORAC Pro Mega 4 palette. So if you guys have been thinking about buying this, or if you've seen it around social media and you want to know how I got this makeup look using it, then just keep on watching. Alright, so getting started, we're going to go in with Butterscotch right here. Just a really nice kind of skin tone neutral. And we are just putting this just kind of all over the crease and really kind of blowing everything out. Next, I'm going to go in with the same brush and do a little bit of mocha just to darken it up. This is just really kind of defining the crease and adding some depth. Okay, we're going to jump on in and use this color here. It's a really nice kind of gold champagne-y color. It's called Honey. That is super pretty already. Just adds a nice shimmer to the lid. And it's not too glittery, it's a really nice kind of subtle shimmer. Alright, going back to the crease, I'm going to use a little bit of a smaller blending brush, and we are going to use the shade Spice. It's a really nice kind of warm red burgundy color. And just focusing that on the most deep part of your crease, especially on the outside. So I'm not really blowing this out too much, I'm just really defining that crease. I do like to bring this kind of definition color just a little bit out, where they create kind of like a cat eye effect. Okay, moving on to the brow bone highlights, I'm going to go in with this second from the top color on the left. It's called Pink Peony. This is also going to kind of blend any harsh lines you have from that last color, just on the top. Next, I'm going to go back in with the bigger blending brush and use that mocha color again. And this is just really going to kind of seal everything together and blend all of those colors together. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to take a little pencil brush and use mocha and spice and kind of mix the two together. And I'm really focusing this on the outer edge, but I am kind of bringing it in quite a bit. But the main objective is to kind of connect this outer V that we created with your lower lash line. So I'm really bringing that out and connecting that outer V. We're going to go in with Honey, that kind of gold shimmer color, and just use a flat blending brush for this. I know a lot of people don't like to add shimmer on their lower lash line, but I think it adds so much, especially if you have blue eyes. It really makes everything kind of sparkle and enhance the color of your eyes, especially if you're using contrasting colors like this. And we're just really kind of blending those darker colors out and buffing them just a little bit lower as well. And now we're going to highlight the inner corner. I'm going in with a similar kind of whitish tone. This one's called Foam. It does have a little bit of a shimmer in it though, so it'll be nice in the inner corner. And I'm just going back with a clean blending brush. I wet this one off just to kind of blend out all the colors if you have any kind of weird spots that have bunched up a little bit. And I think we are done with the eyeshadow, so I'm going to go pop on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did a little bit of mascara and I put on some little cluster lashes from Ardell. I think the eyeshadow looks really, really nice. I think that the eyeshadows blended really, really well. They're really well pigmented, which I'm not surprised about because I know LORAC is a really, really good company. But overall, I'm really happy with this look. I love the kind of coppery gold smoked out cat eye. I love this palette has so many different color combinations that you could do. I mean, they have warm tones, they have cool tones down here, they have glitters, they have a lot of mattes as well. So this is really kind of your all-in-one palette. You do have a lot of really great, rich, kind of warm browns and reds up there, blues and coppers. So I think that this is a really good palette for every day, even if you want to play around with a little bit of color and add some blues and greens as well. So yes, overall this is definitely approved by me. I really, really love the pigment of all the shadows. They blended really, really well. I love that they have all the names of the eyeshadows on there, so it's really, really kind of user-friendly. You can remember which ones you use all the time. You get a really, really huge mirror with it as well, which is super nice. I literally did this whole tutorial using this mirror in there, so that was super, super helpful. They do sell this palette at Ulta. It retails for $34 on there. Sorry, $35, which is actually a really, really good price for this amount of shadows that you get. So yeah, definitely a great price, being at $35 for kind of a higher end product. And I'm honestly probably going to use this quite a bit in the next few weeks and play around with different colors and stuff. I think I'm going to experiment with all these kind of glittery metallic colors. So yes, I would say go out and buy this at Ulta or on the LORAC website. It's a really nice everyday palette if you guys want to play around with colors and get a little bit more creative with your makeup looks. I think I'm going to swatch a few of these other colors just to kind of show you the pigment as well. So let's go in with Spice. I used this one today. And, ooh, I want to do Peacock, this nice bluey color. And then, what else? Maybe Fairy Tale, another kind of blue silver. And off the bat already, it is a lot of pigment. And you can just see how incredible those colors are. I mean, that's pretty mind-blowing. Let's do a few others. Let me do Lotus and Pearl Slate. So there's Lotus and Pearl Slate. Yeah, so those are super, super pretty, really metallic, and they're not glittery at all, which is really nice. I'd say overall this is a really, really great palette for the money. It's only $35, which is a lot for makeup. It is a higher end product, but you get so many colors and they're incredible quality. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys. You can get it as a gift. You can get it for yourself for every day to play around. You can get it if you want kind of the basic neutrals up here or the more colorful shadows down there. Yeah, I think it's a really, really great palette, especially for the price. This would also be a great gift for the makeup lover in your life. I actually did receive this as a gift and I love it so far. This is my first time using it, but honestly, I'm so in love with all these colors. So yeah, that was it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and give me a like. That really helps out my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I am mainly a fashion and lifestyle blogger, but I do kind of dive into the world of makeup here on YouTube. So I'm going to leave all of my social links at the end of the video for you. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day wherever you are, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading